Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making the Japanese straightening hair treatment. I've seen and heard a lot about this treatment, so I am eager to try it, especially because I have 4C kinky hair. So we start by adding 4 tablespoons of rice in a bowl. Then we go ahead and wash it. After washing it, you want to drain it and put it in a pot that will boil for a couple of minutes. You want to make sure that your rice actually boils. The softer the better, because we will be blending this rice. For those of you that don't know, this is a keratin treatment, like a protein treatment. It eliminates frizz, protects your hair from humidity. It's actually supposed to help make your hair shine a little better. And apparently it's supposed to straighten the hair and of course make the hair smooth. So I'm very curious to see if this treatment can actually straighten my kinky hair. So I'm going ahead. So as you guys can see, I am blending my rice. You want to blend it to the point where it is smooth, because you do not want rice clumps in your treatment. So as you can see, I'm going to let it drain because I need everything to be smooth. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's still thick, but at least it's a little watery, so you don't have to worry about that for now. We're going to go ahead and work with cornstarch. All you need is a 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You put it in your bowl, a separate bowl, and a half cup of water. I'm not sure you guys can see my water. This is my measuring cup. I made sure the water was half cup, and you stir until it is smooth. We're going to go back to our rice mixture, pour it into a pot, and then add our cornstarch mixture to the rice and let it boil for 1 minute. I'm going to put all these measurements in the description and the steps to follow. This is pretty straightforward. So this is the pot containing the rice mixture, and I'm going to go ahead and add my cornstarch mixture to it and let it sit on low heat for 1 minute. Again, you do not want this to boil. You don't want any foaming or anything of that sort. You just want to let it sit in low heat for 1 minute, and then you transfer it to a different container. The oils that they used for this treatment were coconut oil and olive oil. So you're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm trying to be precise so that I can get the desirable results. So this is me, guys. I'm applying this. This treatment is very sticky. By the way, it does smell wonderful because of the coconut oil. For those allergic to coconut oil, I do not recommend you use coconut oil, but for the challenge they used coconut oil, which is why I'm using coconut oil. So I'm going ahead to add this paste to my hair. Upon adding it, you can feel your hair getting moist, like your hair is really moist. It gives it like this softness. I would say this makes a good detangler. If you have that type of hair that when you take out a braid and your hair is all tangled and stuff, this mixture or this treatment is perfect for you. So I'm just going to add the mixture. Make sure I add enough. When I say enough, I mean enough, just to make sure that my hair soaks in this treatment. I'm adding it to all parts. As you guys can see, I sectioned my hair so that way it's easier for me to put in this treatment. So at this point, I'm done adding the paste, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it up and let it sit for a couple minutes or to an hour with a plastic bag so that we can just toss it out after. This is me detangling my hair. As you guys can see, it's very easy for me to comb, and I can actually put my fingers through. For those that know, they know that my hair is usually not looking like this. So these are my results, what I found out after this treatment. It does soften your hair initially, because after I washed my hair was no longer soft. But I will say that this treatment enhances curls, it softens the hair initially, as I said, eliminates frizz, but it does not, guys, straighten kinky hair. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I will be leaving every measurement in the description and the steps. See you guys in my next video. Bye.